So we've got an insane looking little right-hander. Just a couple of guys out, massive beach. So we're gonna go out and try and get a couple. Ew. Yeah, but sick, they're hanging, eh?
This little one here, got
look at them.
lung marks.
I love it. Oh, sick. That was fun. Got some cracking little sections, but it was really hard to land any airs for some reason. I just couldn't stick it. There was sort of a deceptively steep landing, but definitely got some cracking sections. And now it's gone a little bit rippy, so we're just going to chill. Look at that little right though. Oh.
Mate,
That's pretty. Oh, you can even hang in the little beach. And then over there too, that'll be nice.
Oh yeah, you can swim in here.
Yeah. It's a bit steep. Might have to jump.
It's cold.
This set here. Yeah. So pretty. Alright, let me go and have a look. Hey. Hey? The dolphins? Yeah. This is the sort of stuff that makes living in a van and being absolutely ready to go totally worth it. It's just beautiful. Oh my god, it's stunning! Oh, it's been super fun just exploring after a little shred. On big days this gets super gnarly here, water smashing all over the place, but today, because it's nice and small, it's all pretty calm, pretty safe. I'm just going to slip myself back in the water and go and chill on the beach for a bit. Might be a bit brisk, I reckon. A lot of people have been asking about surfing alone and whether you think about sharks or anything like that. To be honest, it's always on your mind, especially when the dolphins are getting super excited and swimming all around you, but I think it's just about knowing your spot and knowing where to sit, what to look for. I mean, on a bright sunny day like this, you can see visibility wise so much in the water so far ahead of you, so you're really not thinking about it too much. But I think the key is just knowing your spot, knowing where you're surfing. If this was somewhere where I'd never surfed before, it'd be a little bit different.